Hello students, good morning. Today I am going to start the remaining problem of your exercise 3D question number 9 to question number 13, and I hope that you people have completed your homework properly in your homework copy, and if any doubts related to the solution of your question, please ask. And today I am going to start with question number 9. 252. Product of two decimals is 0.252. If one of them is 0.72, find the other. Means that here you see this one. I will show you with one example. Product of two numbers, two decimals. Suppose product of two decimals. First decimal is A, second decimal is B. It is given that 42. Okay. And if one is given that 0.7, find the other decimal number. Find the other decimal number. So other decimal number is equal to product upon the first number, 42 upon 0.7, and I want to change it into a natural number. So here is a one decimal point, here is a, we increase 1 0 because in that numerator decimal points is not there. So we increase 1 0 from the right side. So you get 420 upon 7. 7 on 7, 7 6 42. What the other decimal number is? 60. So same as it is, I'm going to do this question number 9. So the product of two decimal number is 0. So the product of two decimal is 0.252. Okay, one of them is, so the first I will take this first. So first decimal number is 0.72. So the other means the second. So the other decimal number is equal to product is divided by first decimal number, or you will write in form of a fraction 0.52 upon 0.72. So listen students, our aim is to change it into this denominator as a natural number. So 72, there is a two decimal points. So in your numerator, this point shifted 2 point to the right side. So what you will get it? 25.2. Two decimal shifted 1 and 2, 25.2. And then after divide it in the right side of your page. So here I am going to do this division. 72 divide 25.2. So listen students, 25 is not divisible by 72. Take this decimal in your quotient. So 252 is divisible by 72. It goes with 3 times. 3 2 is 6, 3 7 is 21. 6, 4 minus 1, 3. Cancel out. 36 is not divisible, but you have taken a decimal. So take 1 0 in one step. Okay. So then after you will divide with 5. 5 2 is 10, 5 7 is 35 on 36. Cancel out. What you will get this one? If you divide this one, you will get 0.35. So the other number is other decimal number is 0.35. After division, you will get this other number is 0.35. So if you are getting this type of questions, you will do like that. Okay. Now that question number 10. A bar of chocolate cost is rupees 10.5 and a packet of chips cost is 6.75. What will be the total cost of 8 bars of chocolate and 5 packets of chips? I again read this one. A bar of chocolate cost 10.5. One bar is 10.50 is cost. One bar cost is for chocolate is equal to 10.50. That is the cost of one bar chocolate. And one packet of chips cost is 6.75. So what is asking in your question? What will be the total cost of 8 bars of chocolate and 5 packets of chips? So very easy, based on a multiplication. So the solution of your question: cost of a bar of chocolate is equal to rupees 10.50. How many is asking this one? 8 bars. So cost of 8 bars of chocolate is equal to 10.50 is multiplied by 8. Multiply this one. 0, 5 4s are 20, 44 is there. 8 1s are 8. So here is the 2 decimal points. Put the decimal. What you will get? You will get rupees 84. You will get rupees 84. You will write the points also if you want. So rupees 84.0. Now that next one is in this one, what will be the cost of 8 bars? We get this. And what is the cost of a 5 packet of chips? Now cost of 1 packet of chips is equal to rupees. Cost of 1 packet of chips is equal to rupees 6.75. So what is the cost of 5 packets of chips? 6.75 is multiplied by 5. 5 5s are 25. 5 7s are 35 to 37 3. You will get 33.75. So in your question is asking the total cost. So total cost of 8 bars of chocolate and 5 of chocolate and 5 bars of 5 packets of 5 packets of chips. The total cost of 8 bars of chocolate and 5 packets of chips is equal to, cost of 8 bar chocolate is rupees 84.0 and plus rupees 33.75 is the cost of a 5 packets of chips. If you add this one, 7.437.8311 rupees 117.7 is the cost of 8 bars of chocolate and 5 packets of chips. Then after question number 11, I am going to do that question number 11. Question number 11. 8 copies of a book cost rupees 523.60. What is the cost of a copy of a book? One copy cost is asking. So I'll write it. Cost of 8 copies of a book is equal to rupees 523.60. So the cost of one copy of book. So students, always remember that if you are finding more, if you are finding more rupees, then you will always multiply, and if you are getting less, then you always divide. Here is one copy, means your amount is getting a less, means that you will do that division. And if you are asking that the cost of a 10 copies, means 8 copies cost is this one, what is the cost of a 10 copy? You are getting it more, means you always multiply. So here is 523.60 is divided by number of copies. So write it in form of a fraction, or you will simply divide this one. Okay, so here I'm going to do this division. 523.60, 6 times 4, cancel out, 3 comes downside, 5, 40, 3 cancel out, 0.6, 6 comes downside, 32, 4, 0 comes 5 times, it is a cancel out. Okay, so what that answer you will get, rupees 65.45 is the cost of hence, if you want to write hence the cost of a copy of a book. Cost of one copy of book is rupees 65.45. That is your answer, students. You will do systematically, do the division in right side of your page. Okay, now the question number 12. If 40 vessels of a equal capacity, means they fill equal amount in each vessel, can be filled with 186 liters of water. Find the capacity of each vessel, means asking that what is the capacity of one vessel, because in each vessel filled equal amount of water, student. So write it. Capacity of 40 vessels is equal to capacity of 40 vessels is equal to 186 liters. This is a capacity of 40 vessels. So the capacity of one vessel. So the capacity of one vessel. So the capacity of one vessel, 186 divided by 40. Do the division here. 40, 186, 4 times 160, 6, 2, cancel out, 26 is not divisible by 40, take the point, 0, 4 times, sorry, not 4 times, 5, 6 times, 24, 240, 0, 2, again you will take, because decimal you have taken, so take that 0, 5, 200. But that answer you will get 4.65 liters. It is the capacity of each vessel. Hence the capacity of each vessel is equal to 4.65 liters of water. That is the capacity of each vessel, 4.65 liter. and then after one more question is remaining, question number 13. I'm going to solve it. Hello students, question number 13, and in this one, question number 12, equal capacity of, here you can use a word equal because it is distributed, this 186 liter is distributed equally in 40 vessels, okay. So then after you will find that the cost capacity of 1 vessels, so 4.65 equally filled in 40 vessels, okay. Now that question number 13, a certain sum of money is distributed among 26 people. Each person receives 6.45 and rupees 2.3 is left in the end. What was the initial sum of money? So listen students, if I have distributed a sum of money into 10 people, I have distributed a sum of money. Each person means one man got 5 rupees. 10 people, in that I have distributed a sum of money equally, okay. So one man got 5 rupees. At the end 2 rupees is left with me. So how much money I have? So very easy, one man got 5 rupees. Total number of men is 10, or total people is 10. So 10 is multiplied into 5, and what the money I left at the end, we add this one. So 10 into 5, 50 plus 2 rupees, 52 I have. Same as it is in this question. What was the initial sum of money? So in your solution, the initial sum of money is equal to 26 people. Each person got 6. 26 is multiplied by 6.45, and what the money is left at the end? Rupees 2.30, okay. So first we multiply this one as a whole, and then after we are going to add this 2.30. 645 is multiplied by 26, 37, 638, 0, 8, 9, 6, 2, 12, 0, 7, 7, 3 to 5, 1, 6, 3 to 5, 1, 6, 1. So you will get this 167, and there is a point, 2 decimal point, so 167.70 plus 2.30. Add this one. If you add this one, 0, 0, 7 to 9, 110, 0, 617 rupees, 170.0. After points only zeros, you will remove this 0. Okay, so you will get this rupees 170. Hence, the initial sum of money is equal to rupees 170. So students, this is the last question number 13. The initial sum of money is 170. So by this way we have completed this exercise 3D, students, and I hope that before that you have understand everything, and if you have doubts, please ask your doubt properly through your Campus Care app, okay. And in next video we will discuss, our next topic is terminated decimal and non-terminated decimal, okay. And the exercise based on these two topics we will solve in that video also, okay. Thank you, students.